I have a new headlight here. I'm gonna bake it in the oven and open it, but before that we're gonna remove all the seals. Now you're supposed to use like sticky tape, but I only got scotch, so I'm gonna use that. Okay, so I sealed all the holes. I have a pan here, some foil on it. I set the temperature to 230 Fahrenheit. Put it in the oven. So 5 or 6 minutes. And take it out. Try not to use excessive force, not break anything. Okay, it's all apart. Put it aside this way so you won't get any dust inside. Remove all this tape. Now I'm going to remove this cover here. In order to do that, a screw bolt in there. What I want to do also is paint half of the reflectors in black. Put some like a tape around around them, like covering the other side of the reflector, and it's all around here and there. I also use the compressed air to clean them inside, and I have a plastic dip here. I don't want to use a regular paint, just in case I will want to convert them back to using this just bulbs. So I would remove the driver coating. So I'm gonna put like 3 or 4 layers in. So I'm gonna let it dry for 30 minutes. Second layer. Waiting 30 minutes. I put 4 layers. It's all dry now. I'm gonna remove the stuff. So something like that. That's how the headlight looks now. This side is all black. So I got a Morimoto Mini H1. Actually, it's like a generic one. I bought it on AliExpress. They were saying it's actually Morimoto, so I guess it's the same thing. Could be not of the latest generation, but still, it was pretty cheap. Like $90 for the set of these with a Gatling Mini Gun, shroud, the bulbs, and ballast. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install the projector in there. I'm gonna remove this connector here and put it in the hole in there. I think this is for H4. I'm gonna install it too, and there is a silicone gasket. I guess you don't have to install this, and actually the projector is gonna touch the outer lens of the headlight, so maybe if you don't install this, it will give you some additional space. So remove these 3 balls here. Remove this connector. Now it's really hard to see here, but you need to bend 2 buttons on each wire in there and on each connector, and it will allow you to pull it out. So now put the wires in the reflector hole in there. Squeeze the projector in and make sure this thing is in the bottom. Actually, I've forgotten the rubber thing here. Okay. Put this guy here. I'll tighten it a little bit. Next thing I'm gonna do, Okay, I have this shroud here. It doesn't really fit. Need to use like a sandpaper or chisel or something like that and remove this part here. And while you do that, you wanna try and put it on all the time. And also be careful with the outer layer here, because it's really thin. Something like that. Perfect. What I would also suggest is removing these things here. You can cut them like for half an inch, so that will allow you to put it more deeper inside, and you will have much more space. Just like that. Okay, so I cut these. Now it fits perfectly. Yeah, so something like that. Use the chisel on the sides to make it more smooth. The next thing you want to do is you need to make a hole in there, because when you're gonna assemble it, the shroud is gonna touch the inside thing, so you need to disassemble there. Internal stuff. Just the bolt here. Okay, now it should come out. Just gonna pull it out. It's the rest of the glue stopping it. Okay, put it aside. The old parts. So now just align it and make a mark, sort of a mark there. So it should be Okay, now please do me and yourself a favor and use the right tools. I'm just gonna go like that. Just don't have the right tools at the moment. Now I'm gonna use the chisel. So keep checking it until you get somewhere like this. So now you wanna clean it up a little bit with microfiber. Put the yellow stuff in. Should begin with this one first. Can use compressed air in there. Now put it back into the housing. Let's start with the side. Okay, so it's in place. Here. Okay. Actually, I'll just touch the inside glass. I'll try to not do that. So okay, that looks good. So what I'm gonna do next is install the bulb and align the projector. I can put this back on. Try not to drop anything inside. These guys are a little tricky. Okay. Install the spring. Okay, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna try to align it a little. So I have a ballast here, it's connected to my car. I'm just gonna plug it to the bulb. Gonna turn to needle. Okay, looks good. Now remove the bulb. Now you wanna clean it and assemble it back. The shroud in, clean it and put it in. Okay, make sure it's all clean and assemble it back. I also set the oven to preheat to 220. So squeeze it in. Now you want to protect all the holes, so all the holes sealed. I'm gonna put it in the oven now. I usually do like 4 minutes. 4 minutes past taking it out. Yummy. Okay. Now just squeeze everything in, back in place. So it actually looks, it's not gonna seal completely because projector is touching the outer glass, so but that's fine. I'm gonna go around with the sealant actually. installed the rubber seals and it's all done. So this is Honda Accord 2001. I've got a Retrofit headlights here, so I'm gonna install them now. So in order to do this, you need to remove the front bumper first. In order to do this, you need to remove all these clips here, and there's a bolt there, and you probably have another one there, but I don't have it. So I'm gonna unscrew everything now. Use a screwdriver. Oops, she broke it. Okay. There are also clips underneath the car. I'm gonna need to remove them too. So I removed all the clips. Now I'm just gonna pull it to the side. Now in order to replace the headlight, you need to unscrew this bolt here. Two bolts in there. And there is one here. Okay. So pull it up. So these two. Okay. 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 So install a new headlight. Do the same for the other headlight. So the new headlights on. Let's reinstall the bumper. Okay. Okay, sounds like it's in place. So it's all good. Now just install the clips here. If you have new ones, I would use new clips. I installed the clips and 2 bolts on the sides. The clips on the top are 10 millimeters and the ones on the bottom are 8 millimeters. You can buy them on Amazon. So you can turn on the lights. Sweet. It's pretty cool. Very good. So this is it. Thanks for watching the video.